Hi, it's Cristina Doherty, and today we are making a Virgin Margarita for Margarita Day. So today, for Margarita Day, we are gonna do a Virgin Margarita. Why would we do that, you probably ask? Well, some of us are on diets and trying not to drink the alcohol, so let's proceed and see what we think. So we're gonna start out with fresh lime juice. Since this says real lime, I'm gonna assume it's fresh lime juice. Okay, just kidding, we didn't have any fresh lime juice, so we are gonna go with 2 tablespoons. A tablespoon of real lemon juice, again, real lemon juice, so we're gonna go with that. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon. Okay. Then we're gonna do 1/4 teaspoon of our simple syrup. So here's a little more than 1/4 teaspoon simple syrup. 1/8 of a teaspoon of pickle juice. We're just gonna go with it. Good old bread and butter spears. 3 ounces of tonic water. And a lime wheel. So you have to just pretend there's a lime wheel on here, and you have to pretend we've soaked the rim in sea salt, but we are gonna try it. I know it's not pretty without the lime wheel, but let's see what it tastes like. Very tart, but tastes pretty good, so enjoy. You might wanna put some tequila in there.